customer's SLR McLaren. The SLR 722. We got a lot of crazy cars. I don't think it gets much better than this. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go pick up a customer's SLR McLaren, which is a very, very high collectible car right now. And we're gonna take that special car and make it a step more special. So we'd like for you guys to come with us today, take a ride and see the process as we pick it up, get it done and get it delivered back to a client. Let's take a ride. The SLR is becoming a very big collector car, so there was very few produced, and Mercedes did it at a time where McLaren basically did it at a time, I should say, that they did a merger with Mercedes-Benz and they did a very limited production of the SLR, and they did it for 2 years. They did it in 2005 and 2006. They did the SLR Coupe, and in 2008 and 2009, I believe, they did the SLR Roadster, which were both productions were very limited. The customer who we're picking it up for currently is a very good friend of ours and a longtime client, so we're on our way to pick it up, and we have some special wheels that have been in the making for the last few weeks that just came in. We're going to be installing it and we'd love to hear what you guys think when it's done, so stay tuned and you guys will see later in this episode what that looks like when it's all completed. So not only is this an SLR, our client obviously didn't tell us, but this is the SLR 722, which makes it even way more exclusive than the already exclusive SLR. There was 722 of these produced in the entire world, so that makes this an even more special SLR McLaren. So we can't wait to show you guys what it looks like when it's all wrapped up. So the shops are always crazy, but this week is just on a different type of level. We got a lot of crazy cars in the stable right now. Kylie Jenner's Maybach sedan in for a little service. We're gonna get her wheels repaired, tire back on. This is the wheels that we're running on her. So two-tone Maybach from Kylie, blue face, two-tone Maybach sedan, brand new flying spur. This one is brand new, literally delivery miles. This car is getting a full Mansuri kit, Mansuri wheels, Mansuri exhaust, lots of exposed carbon, FTPs, Cullinan. Got Gary Trent's Trackhawk, which turned out to be a monster. Gary Trent, he went bananas with this shit. Full Babe Camel wrap, carbon hood, vented window, Orgiato wheels, carbon fiber add-ons, G800 that's sitting, upholstery is underway obviously. You guys see not too far behind me, Tua Kim's Maybach, same thing. Listen, these cars are beautiful, they look good, but naturally driving in these LA streets with potholes and the rain, these cars can get into little incidents such as bending wheels, popping tires. It just comes with the territory. When you look good and you got aftermarket wheels, bigger size wheels, you have less tire, you know, it just, like I said, it comes with the territory, but it'll be quick repairs. We'll have them back to the client shortly. We got a 570S sitting right behind me. We got a lot coming in store for you guys, so stay tuned. All right guys, we're back with the SLR 722 McLaren. The car is ready and on the way back today to the client. Came out beautiful. It's a car that doesn't need much. We put a nice set of Anrky wheels on it, brushed and polished finish, as we'll show you when we get closer. The car is amazing, man. I mean, the color is beautiful, especially it being a 722. It's even more unique than, you know, than your standard McLaren, which is a lot to say when you're talking about an SLR McLaren. We're very excited to show the client. He's super excited to get it. We'd love to show you some of the features up close before we deliver this car.
some of the features that make the 722 even more unique, as I keep mentioning. Specifically for the 722 model, Mercedes and McLaren, it was their collaboration project when they did this production. They did darker headlights for the 722, so the typical SLR comes with chrome housings. This one has the smoked black housing. They did the carbon fiber front spoiler, which is unique to the 722 model only. Along the side, as you come to the side of the car, you'll notice the wheel and tire setup that we did. Again, Anrky wheels, 20-inch front, 21-inch rear, brush centers, polished lips. I think it looks beautiful. It complements the color nicely. The 722 comes with its 722 insignia up here on at the corners of the hood. The typical SLR says McLaren there. On this one, it says 722. The interior, of course, you get some special features. You have Alcantara, you have carbon, some upgrades from the standard SLR. You'll notice the wheels are slightly bigger and wider in the back for that perfect fit. And basically it has the exterior exposed carbon on the 722. So you have a carbon rear lower diffuser to match the carbon front spoiler. And it has these little carbon fins up here in front of the wheel. And all those items are what makes the 722 even more unique aesthetically, aside from the fact that there's only 722 produced in the world. I don't think it gets much better than this.